Welcome to the in front of me Oukitel OKT1, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that just scroll down to the sound section. Then here you'll see the media call, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. We can change them, just swipe to the left or to the right side, that's dots. Here we can also set vibration for calls, so never, always vibrate first then ring gradually. We can turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode to use the shortcut to prevent ringing. You can change the ringtones, or this device has two SIM card slots, so we can set two different just ringtones on each of the SIM cards. So we can switch the notification sound, alarm sound, and here in other settings we have also the dial pad tone, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds and touch vibration. We can turn on or turn off all of these options just by click once on each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.